Hey guys, it's Erin here from Blue But Upcycle Style, and I am a huge lover of interior design, and I love merging the worlds of interior design and upcycling together. So today I am at my local thrift store, the Salvation Army, here in Ottawa, Canada. So here's the deal, guys. Halloween is not that far away. I'm having a Halloween party, and I thought rather than going to a big box store and looking for Halloween decorations, that I'd hit my local Salvation Army here in Ottawa and take a look to see if I can find anything that I can upcycle or transform into some creepy Halloween decor. So here we go. I'm inside my favorite store, and I think what I'm going to start to do to figure out my Halloween vignette is I'm going to start taking a look through the accessory section. Now, I'm not sure exactly what it is that I'm looking for, but I'm pretty sure I'll know it when I see it. So like I said, guys, I'm not really sure what I'm looking for, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at things that are interesting and maybe that I can change a little bit and transform into something a little bit more Halloween-y. Now, this, for example, I don't think I have to do too much to this because to me this is kind of scary. Ooh, I think I found something. So these don't look like much, and they're actually, I think they're a little bit kitschy, but I have an idea for these, and I think it's going to be pretty awesome and pretty creepy. Okay, these are going to be perfect for my Halloween vignette. The nice thing about these is that, well, they're brass, which is awesome, but with a couple of candles in it, I think they're going to look fantastic. But I can continue to use them throughout the year. Good find. So I've got what I need, and I got some pretty neat things here, and I think I can have a lot of fun with them for my Halloween themed vignette. So I'm gonna head now to my studio and start having some fun. So I just finished my little guys here, and I am in love with how they turned out. And I have to say too, guys, this was so much fun to do. I felt like a kid coloring in a coloring book, except I was doing it on these little guys. And they're kind of quirky and fun. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head home, and I am going to start putting my Halloween vignette together because the Halloween party is coming up really soon. The best way to get started when you are planning on decorating is to pull out everything that you plan on using. That way you can keep trying out different combinations until you find what works best. I did take a run back up to the thrift store to get a black curtain, which I think is going to be the perfect backdrop because I really want my creepy figurines to really stand out. I'm loving how this turned out. The Edison light bulbs and the candlesticks are creating the most perfectly creepy atmosphere, and my figurines are terrifying. Because I was working on such a small space, I still wanted to have a real visual impact. So what I did is I used some wooden blocks and some other items just to create some different variances in height to make my creepy figurines really stand out. Well, guys, this has been a lot of fun. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope this video leaves you inspired to go off and to create some awesome things just in time for Halloween. Remember, we do lots of videos like this. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit like.